Mallacoota shore. Sun breaks through the clouds, a dance forevermore. Rainbows fleeting, waves crashing wild. Nature's canvas painted, untamed and beguiled. Tannin-stained waters flowing to the sea. A second mouth revealed in sandy artistry. The tea-like hues contrast the golden sand. A visual symphony across this rugged land. Mallacoota, where the sun meets the rain. Rugged coastlines where beauty remains. In the heart of winter, nature's art display. A dance of elements forever portrayed. Rain squalls sweeping over South Pacific waves. Brooding clouds above in a sky that misbehaves. Migrating whales unseen past Gabo Island's eye. In this place where sea and sky forever unify. Hues eternal under changing skies. The rhythm of the earth in every tide that rises. Whispering winds through the coastal trees. A symphony of nature in the whispering breeze. Mallacoota, where the sun meets the rain. Rugged coastlines where beauty remains. In the heart of winter, nature's art display. A dance of elements forever portrayed. Ocean views eternal under changing skies. The rhythm of the earth in every tide that rises. Whispering winds through the coastal trees. A symphony of nature in the whispering breeze. Mallacoota, where the sun meets the rain. Rugged coastlines where beauty remains. In the heart of winter, nature's art display. A dance of elements forever portrayed. Tannin-stained waters flowing free. Nature's canvas